Here, let me give you my channel. This it right here. OnlyFans.
What if I don't have a phone to subscribe?
Look out racing on OnlyFans. How many people I got online tonight can put some spark plugs on a 350 without looking at the diagram? I do smell that trash. Hey, you know how to put change the spark plugs on the 350 without looking at the
Hell no.
Oh, okay.
No. I'd have to watch a YouTube video like 9 times.
You have to watch it like 9
I
times.
do things very slow, man. I got that head injury.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
I'd be
man.
really big to do it like real slow.
Y'all think Keith can do it? Man, I got all these people on here. Boy, that's what I'm saying, the generation. Golly. We got this scat hawk. Man, that might be a track hawk. Y'all got him messed up. I just heard something. He probably just got that new hood. Well, y'all don't hear that little whine on there? Oh, that is alternator. Okay, 351 Cleveland say he had a little 6-cylinder. Then he upgraded to a 350. Boy, if you ever go LS, you gonna be like, God! I don't wanna hear that. Man, the LS head made like a 351. I don't wanna hear nothing about all that. Don't run like one. Ain't nobody pull up today with a 351, nothing. Weak mom. Then on top of that, 351s was out all that time before LS. And wasn't nobody doing nothing with them then. So look how good an LS can come up here. And I believe I'll take a 6.0 over a 351. But they say them old coyotes running. Okay. Yeah, to show y'all something. They said that was a trap house. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel?
What's your YouTube?
Look Out Racing.
Look Out Racing?
Yeah, it's going, look. Got the QR code right there and everything, man.
Man, my phone ain't down recording.
Yeah, it's going down like, don't put your shout out in, let them know what's up, man. They don't know.
On Instagram.
Yeah, J51 on Instagram, man. Go on, put yours in.
3P TJ.
Yeah, 3P.
3P.TJ.
Yeah, 3-meat TJ. Yeah, 3-meat. I be getting the 3-meat. What is that? Nah, that's 3 cheese. I be getting 3 cheese. Oh, he finna do something?
Not this one, the other one.
The other one?
The other man.
Is he gonna do something though?
See?
Okay. Okay.
Hey, record my nigga some more.
Let me see. I'm finna see. I'ma have it already anyway. He ain't gotta do nothing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we is gonna find you on
Yeah, yeah. Let me see. Oh, we got 340. Yeah, you wasn't in the water though. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he ready now, y'all. Yeah, I got videos of Ralph White. Somebody say, you got any videos of Ralph's White Trans Am? Yep, I should. You want to know a cool fact? That white Trans Am used to be mine. I'm the one sold it. Got it from a buddy. Uh-oh. Let it eat. Okay, right lane for the win.
Let it eat.
Let it eat.
We're having trouble back there getting that car started.
Oh, they is?
Get video. See what they need.
I need a battery. I need a battery. Hey, hey, hey. Boy, it's only 12 o'clock. I thought it was later tonight.
Over here.
Damn.